Okay, here goes a quick review video for the quiz. Just a couple of questions we're going to look on. First, we're going to peek in on drop the top problems. Remember, when it's drop the top, we'll be looking for g prime of x. And what we will do is we'll drop this in to the problems as well as its derivative on the end. So this will be equal to 2 x squared plus sine of x squared, all of that times the derivative of the top, which is 2 to the x. Some of the integral problems will be integrals of 1 over x. Remember, they're ln of x plus c. So when we work on them, what we're looking for, let me go do an easy one first. Let's start with the integral of 3 over x dx. If you can move things away to get to be 1 over x, do that. Put the 3 outside. Make that 1. That's equal to 3 times, if we integrate that, that's the ln, the absolute value of x plus c. Remember, when you do these problems, you should see the derivative of the top sitting there somewhere along the line. So I'm looking at this equation, and I see the bottom. The derivative of tangent of 2x is equal to secant squared 2x times 2. Well, if I look already, make parentheses, I'm going to move that secant squared x down. But I still need a 2. I'll add a 2 in. I'll put a 1/2 on the outside to counteract it. So the integral of 1 over something is equal to 1/2 ln of that something plus c. So it's all about making sure we have the derivative of the inside sitting over here. So the other thing we want to remember is that the integral of e to the x is equal to e to the x plus c. So it's the same thing. I have to make sure I have the derivative of the inside sitting over here. The inside is x squared. The derivative of that is 2x. So I have to have a 2x sitting there. Well, I have an x already. I'll put a 2. I'll put a 1/2 outside. Integral of e to the something is 1/2 e to the something plus c. So on this type of problem, I have no extra features on there. I'd like to get the numbers on the outside. So I'll convert this to 3/5 on the outside, because this is 3 times 1 up top, over 1x dx from 3 to 6. So if I integrate that, I keep the 3/5 integral of ln of the absolute value of x from 3 to 6, which equals 3/5 the ln of the absolute value of 6 minus the ln of the absolute value of 3. We'll worry about simplifying that at a later point in time. And in this problem right here, we're taking the derivative. Let's find y prime. The derivative of the ln of something is 1 over something, so it becomes 1 over x squared times sine of x times the derivative of the inside. Remember, when you have two things multiplied, it has to become a product rule. Sorry. So u is x squared, v is sine of x, u prime is 2x, v prime is cosine of x, and product rule is u prime v plus uv prime. So it's equal to that times u prime v plus u v prime. And that answer is good enough for now. So you can check the old videos out as well as this one. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, see me in the morning. Take care.